northeastern Illinois until 7 p.m. Located near the station at 60 miles per hour, and quarter side hill, 60 miles per hour, and quarter side hill. Impact to hail damage significant. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of hazards include Bowling Brook, Orland Park, Bowling Brook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Romeoville, Woodridge, Rockford, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Palos Hills, Lamont, Blue Ridge, Darien, Willow Springs, Orland Hills, Palos Park, and Fairmont, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 266 and 272, Interstate 355 between mile markers 2 and 14. This includes Argonne National Laboratory. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe weather is occurring or forecast. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Burns Harbor, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 8:45 p.m. At 6:37 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Jackson Park Harbor or over Calumet Harbor, moving northeast at 5 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crisp, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Cameron Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Marina Shores at New Harbor, 59th Street Marina, and Diversey Harbor. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KXI 41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is marine warning for nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 9:30 p.m. At 7:35 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles north of Marina Shores at New Harbor to New Bern Harbor, moving in at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Michigan City, Burns Harbor, and Marina Shores at New Harbor. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Edgewater, Michigan north. Tonight, southwest winds 10 to 15. Warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southern King County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Moore County in northeastern Illinois until 3 a.m. At 9:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, rapid onset flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Romeoville, Plainfield, St. Charles, Oswego, Batavia, Rockford, Geneva, Yorkville, Campton Hills, flooding of creeks, ditches, canals, and storm sewers, as well roadways, underpasses, and other poor drainage areas. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood events occur in vehicles. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, West-North G536 in DeKalb. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur.
Thunderstorms producing heavy rain.